Halo guys, kembali lagi di channel saya Vince Play. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan nih gameplay kita dalam bermain The Walking Dead. Nah, kemarin kan kita sudah melewati sebuah tempat yang terhalang ya di kereta. Nah, sekarang kita akan melanjutkan nih episode keempatnya. Kemarin kita lihat prolognya bahwa ada seseorang yang menelpon radionya Clementine. Wah, itu masih misteri sekali ya. Tanpa basa-basi, kita langsung saja mulai. Wah, pasti penasaran
Previously
banget sih
on The
siapa
Walking
yang
Dead.
Shut
sebenarnya
up,
nelpon.
Carly. I've heard
Wah,
enough out
ini
of
nih
you.
bagian yang ini.
What the fuck's the problem?
Wah, Carly. Padahal dia nggak bersalah loh,
Just
Carly. Yang salah itu Ben loh.
I was trying to
Ben kan
protect
kemarin
all of
ada
us.
kasih tahu ke kita tuh
Oh,
kalau
shit. She's
dia
stealing
yang
the
melakukan
RV.
semuanya.
I don't know much about you,
RV kita juga
but I can
diambil
tell
loh
you
oleh
sure
Lily.
the sun's
Wah,
gonna come up tomorrow.
sedih banget gak sih guys?
Going on like this, and that girl ain't gonna make it.
What do we do? You're his
Dan
dad.
kita juga kehilangan ya
Do this.
dua orang
Just
lagi,
put an end to it,
si Doug dan juga istrinya Kaja.
man. I think we should
Istrinya
look for
Kenny.
your parents.
Really?
Yeah, you need to know if they're okay. And, well, if they're not, what happened to them?
I was the one giving the bandits supplies.
What?
It's all my
Nah,
fault.
ini dia.
We gotta jump!
What?
Aku kesal banget sih ke Ben.
Shit!
Carly loh, padahal Carly itu penembak jitu banget loh.
Clementine, I got your parents right here, and you be sure to find me.
Nah, ini dia
whether they
misteri
want you to
kita.
or not.
Siapa sih orang yang sebenarnya menelpon Clementine? Kita masih belum tahu.
But I doubt we're gonna be happy when we find out.
Wah, penasaran banget sih. Dan juga ya guys, mohon maaf jika suaraku tuh kadang itu kayak aneh atau batuk-batuk gitu ya. Soalnya ini masih masih belum baik ini tenggorokanku. Dari beberapa hari yang lalu nih kena flu. Wah, apakah kita sudah sampai? Apakah ini savana? Wah, sepi ya. Kalau sepi gini tuh malah jadi menyeramkan. Oh, Kenny. Ada Kenny. Oh, oke. Kita sudah sampai nih sepertinya ya. Wah, Omid. Kemarin dia lompat dari kereta ya, kakinya luka. Clementine. Wah.
Can't I just hold it?
Wah, Silly sepertinya sangat waspada ya.
Just for a little while? We're getting real close to where my mom and dad are. Maybe I can...
Not now. I need you to focus.
Kita
Keep your attention
akan
on the street.
Okay,
kita akan mengalihkan
sorry.
pembicaraan.
How's Omid?
His leg's pretty bad.
I'm fine.
You're
Wow.
not fine. You need to rest. He needs to rest.
Oke.
Kenny, how much farther to the riverfront?
It should be just a few more blocks up ahead.
And there'll be boats there?
It sure as hell better be.
There'll be boats. Have to be. Have to be. It's going to be okay. Kenny knows what he's doing. What the hell?
Wah, ada suara bel. Wah, ada bel guys.
Maybe this city's not so dead after all.
Keep moving. No one's ringing that bell. It's automatic. On a timer.
What kind of church bell goes off at 20 past the hour?
Wah,
Someone's
ada,
up there!
ada orang.
Are you sure? I don't see anything.
I know what I saw. I'm telling you, there's someone up in that bell tower. Someone alive.
Wah,
If I were you, I'd get out of the street now.
I thought you said that thing didn't work.
wah siapa itu?
Who the hell is this? Hello? Hello? I said answer me.
Wah, Mencurigakan sekali. Apakah orang yang di radio itu orang yang ada di atas
What was
atap
that?
tadi ya guys?
Someone trying to fuck with us?
Bisa jadi.
Sounded more like a warning.
Ask not for whom the bell tolls.
What are you yammering on about?
Oh no. Sepertinya ada suara guys.
Thee.
Oh no, rame sekali. Lari guys. Lari.
Everybody, run!
Clementine tetap bersama kita, oke? Wah, Kenny. No.
Kenny!
Little too
Wah.
close, don't you think?
Ben, ayo Bang. Oh no. Ben, bantu. Ayo Ben. Loh, wah Ben. Wah Ben.
God damn it!
Wah. Ben. Ben.
No!
Wah, Cak. Wah, terima kasih banget sih Cak.
I'll catch up with you.
Wah, Cak. Terima kasih Cak. Wah, gila. Hampir banget loh Clementine. Wah, Ben.
Move your asses! River Street's right up ahead!
Parah
That's
banget
not
gak
all.
sih? Parah banget gak sih Ben? Wah.
Oh, give me a fucking break!
Wait, where the hell's Chuck?
Wah, no Cak. Cak.
Shit, he's in trouble. We gotta help him.
Oh no, Cak.
There's no
Yeah.
time! We gotta go, now! I'll be fine! Just go!
Ya, kita berpisah guys dengan Cak.
I'll get the door.
Waduh, Omid. Wah, kakinya lagi sakit tuh pasti.
You okay?
Oh iya.
Yeah.
You've opened up your wound. You're bleeding.
Waduh.
Shit, it's gonna get infected. We've gotta get him inside. Clean him up.
Kenny, how's that door
I'm
coming?
working on it!
We'll work faster, would you? Won't be long before those things outside figure out where we went. You know they can smell blood.
Lady, I ain't the one who's bleeding.
Let me see if I can find us a way in.
Kita nggak boleh memperkeruh. Oh, Ben. Kita harus berbicara dengan Ben.
About what happened back there on the street.
I know. I don't know what happened. I just froze up. Hasn't that ever happened to you?
Just hear what I'm saying to you. You put that girl in danger again. It won't be walkers you have to worry about.
Betul.
I hear you.
Think we can get in through one of these windows?
Man, I don't think so. Whoever owned this place had them all barred up.
Yeah, looks pretty solid. How do you think Kenny's holding up?
I don't know. It's like all he can think about is finding a boat. He definitely doesn't want to talk about Katja and Duck, at least not with me.
Yeah, well, I figured that's probably for the best. I'm gonna go check things out.
Ben.
All right.
Wah, kesel banget gak sih aku tuh dengan Ben tuh. Untung aja ada Chuck loh guys. Kalau nggak ada Chuck tuh pasti
No way I'm gonna be able to bust through that.
Clementine udah. Ya, kalian tahu sendiri lah ya. Sekarang kita harus cari tahu nih caranya masuk ke dalam.
You think maybe someone's still inside?
Nah, we'd have heard from him by now, all the racket we're making. But whoever was here did a pretty good job fortifying it. Nice place to hole up. We could just figure out how to get in.
Hey, how you holding up, man?
Lee, I appreciate the interest, but I don't think talking about my feelings right now is gonna help us get inside this house.
Masuk akal. Oke. Maaf ya Kenny.
How's it coming?
Kita harus
Find a
fokus
way
dulu
in?
guys.
Door's locked up tight. Too heavy to force it without making a whole lot of noise.
Maybe there's a better way in.
Well, if there is, I ain't seeing it. Maybe you should have a look around. See what you can find.
Bisa kah pakai ini? Oh, apa ini?
What's this? Looks like there's some kind of pet door here.
I tried it already. That's locked too.
Who the hell ever heard of a locked doggy door?
I have. My neighbor had one just like that. It's radio controlled. The dog wears a collar with a chip in it, so the door only opens when the dog gets close to it.
Well, shit. Every day's a school day.
Wah, keren banget ya.
All right, so
Bisa gitu.
where's the dog?
Jadi katanya tuh guys. Jadi katanya tuh apa? Pintu ini tuh cuma bisa kebuka kalau ada ini kolar-kolar apa ya kolar itu ya? Kolar itu
The shovel is never not useful.
kalung ya? Apa? Ya kayak kalung gitu. Untuk anjing. Apa itu? Oh,
Hey, be careful. Digging up dead things isn't what it used to be, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I hear you.
What's buried down there?
seharusnya ini
Nothing. Clem, go over and sit with Krista and Obi, okay?
But I want to...
Just do what I say, okay?
Aduh, maaf ya Clementine. Aku salah kayaknya.
Oh God, the smell.
Oh, itu dia. Kolar apa sih ya
Get it
namanya?
off.
Pokoknya itu ya, guys. Jadi,
Okay, that is not cool.
Are you okay?
Krista aja sampai
I'm
muntah
fine,
loh.
honey. It's just the smell.
Are you sure you're...
I said I'm fine, okay?
Wah, baunya pasti busuk sekali sih. Tapi sepertinya Lee dengan Kenny aman-aman aja ya. Berarti kita udah masih masuk dong. Oh, jangan bilang kita bakalan suruh Clementine masuk lagi nih. Ini kan lubangnya kecil.
Goes nothing.
Yes! God damn!
You see anything in there?
No. Looks like it's been empty a while.
Wah,
Whatever you're gonna do it fast.
Okay, let me see if I can reach up in there.
Be careful, man.
ya nggak nyampai tangannya.
It's no good. I can't get it.
Here, let me try. I think I can.
Nah, kan Clementine.
Clem, what do you see in there?
Ta-da!
Wah. Iya,
Good work, Clem. But don't go shooting off like that without asking first, okay?
I was just trying to help.
I
udah.
know, and you
Kamu
did
udah
good.
bagus.
You just had me worried there for a minute.
Can we maybe have this conversation inside? My leg's starting to hurt like hell.
Oh, maaf Omid, maaf Omid. Omid udah makin sakit kakinya,
Looks
guys.
okay from here. Everybody in.
Waduh, kaki Omid luka juga gara-gara kita sih sebenarnya. Wah, bersih juga rumahnya. Kayak masih aman gitu.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm good. Feel better already just being off my feet. Thanks, babe.
So, when were you gonna tell us about the radio?
Tell you what.
That it's working. That there's someone else on the other end of that thing. You didn't think that might have been worth sharing with the rest of us?
I was gonna tell you. Kenny and I only found out yesterday.
So both of you were keeping it from the rest of us. Great.
Who gives a shit about the damn radio? I'm more worried about whoever it was out there ringing that bell and bringing the dead down on top of us. It's like they didn't want us to make it to the river.
What makes you think it's not the same person? Whoever was on the radio was close enough to see us in the street, and we didn't see anyone else other than the guy in the bell tower.
Because
kan?
that doesn't make a lick of damn sense. Why would they bring out the dead like that and then try to warn us about it?
Tapi
How
ada
much
benarnya
sense does
juga sih
anything make
yang
anymore?
Kenny bilang.
In case you haven't noticed, there's a lot of twisted folks out there these days. At least the dead don't play games with you.
Whoever it was, seems like they're following us. And I don't like being followed.
All the more reason to get on a damn boat where we can't be followed.
I'm not going back out there anytime soon. Omid needs to rest.
Iya, iya.
I think we could all use a little time to rest up and gather our thoughts,
Iya,
Kenny.
kita harus istirahat
At least
dulu.
until those walkers outside wander off and Old Meat's feeling better.
You best feel better quick. I ain't gonna wait around here too long.
Oke.
Place seems secure at least.
I'll feel better when we know that for sure. We need to check the whole house.
All right, fine. You and me'll take the upstairs. Lee, you've got down here. Make sure you check every door, understand?
Okay.
Kita disuruh mengecek lantai bawah. Sip.
Is there anything I can do?
Thanks. I got it. Hang out with Kristen Omead until I get back, okay?
Lee, I'm sorry.
What for?
Going through the door like that without checking first? I guess that was pretty dumb, huh?
Just ask me first the next time you're gonna outsmart all the grown-ups, okay?
Gak apa-apa
Okay.
Clementine. Kita bersalah, kita bersalah. Kita belajar dari kesalahan kita, guys. Kalau kita pernah salah kan kita tahu tuh kesalahan kita.
All empty.
Tapi hebat loh Clementine. Dia nggak kayak Ben. Walaupun Clementine masih kecil ya, bisa dibilang, cuma
Water's off.
dia rasanya tuh lebih dewasa aja sikapnya. Dia lebih mengerti gitu apa yang terjadi.
I'm not that hungry. Besides, I need to finish checking the downstairs.
Apa itu? Oh, makanan anjing ternyata. Berarti kita harus cek apa nih? Kita harus tanya Omid sih. Bagaimana keadaan kakinya dan Clementine? Kita tanya
Holding
Clementine
up
dulu.
okay?
I hope this house is safe. Have you checked all the rooms to make sure?
Belum
No,
sih.
but I'll take care of it.
Kita tanya Omid.
Hey guys,
How's the house looking?
not done searching the first floor yet, but so far so good. What do you guys think about this plan of
Kita
Kitty's?
bakalan tanya pendapat
The
mereka.
guy's losing it. Look, Lee, I know he's your friend and all, but you need to be careful. That man is on the edge, and I don't know if I want to be around when he goes over it.
Kenny's solid. He's just been through a lot, that's all.
I hope you're right. For all our sakes.
How's that couch treating you, Omid? Leg feeling better yet?
I'm alright.
Kasian banget ya
Feeling
Omid.
it.
Gara-gara dia lompat dari itu, dari jembatan.
Finding this house was a hell of a stroke of luck.
I like it a lot better when we know for sure it's safe.
Oke.
I'll make sure. But right now it feels like just the break we needed. Maybe our luck's starting to turn around.
I'd like to believe that. Really, I would.
Sit tight. I'll keep checking the first floor to make sure it's safe.
Maaf ya
Thanks,
Krista dan Omid. Mereka baru aja masuk ke grup kita loh. Tapi mereka udah terkena masalah aja. Oke, aman
Nothing
guys.
hiding in here.
Ini WC ya berarti. Bathroom. Apa ini? Kita cek. Siap-siap. Oke, aman guys.
All clear in here. Just one more to check.
Satu pintu lagi. Kita cek.
Jesus!
Oh,
What? What happened?
It's nothing. Just nothing.
Ternyata cuma pengepel.
Well, place ain't got much. We should be okay here for a while. At least until it quiets down outside.
Good. Thanks.
Is he okay?
Yeah, for now. But I'm really worried his leg might have gotten infected. Don't suppose you turned up any meds while you were poking around?
No, just some dog food.
I was just asking Clementine if she knows who the man on her radio is. It's okay, honey. You can tell us. Who is he? What does he want?
Go ahead, Clem. It's okay. You're not in any trouble.
It's just a friend. I don't think he wants to hurt us.
What has he been saying to you? What have you been saying to him?
I told him I was trying to find my parents and that they were in Savannah. He really seems nice. I think he wants to help me find them.
Clementine, honey,
Wah.
trust me, that's not what he wants.
Lee?
Wah, kenapa nih?
Lee, you need to get up here now.
What's wrong?
It's Kenny.
Kenapa Kenny? Wah, Kenny kenapa guys?
Kenny said he thought he heard something up there. Went to go look.
He's up there?
I can't get him to come down.
Stay here. Kenny?
Kenny? Wah, kenapa tuh Kenny?
Kenny? You okay, man?
Kenapa nih Kenny nih? Kenny?
Oh, Jesus. What the hell is that? Oh, my God.
Wah, kenapa tuh? Wah,
Kinda looks like Duck, don't he?
wah, dia jadi teringat lagi guys
What the hell happened to
dengan
him?
anaknya.
Nothing on him. Guess he must have been hiding out up here. Starved to death.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know if I can do it, Lee. Not again.
Kita
I
akan
can't ask you to go through this again. Let me take care of it.
kali ini kita yang akan
Are you sure?
melakukannya.
I guess we'll find out. This must have been where he slept. What a way to live. What a way to die. Just ran out of food,
Wah.
like we almost did.
Jadi dia ini kekurangan makanan ya guys.
All empty.
Makanya badannya tuh
Died of
kurus banget.
dehydration before he starved. Damn.
Dia meninggal karena dehidrasi katanya.
Poor kid. Must have tried to hide out up here until he starved to death. Oh, this could have been Clementine if I hadn't found her when I did.
Oh, iya sih. Dia ini mungkin bakalan Clementine mungkin bakalan begini guys kalau kita nggak pernah datang dan bertemu dengan dia.
I'm sorry.
Wah, bahkan kepalanya aja nggak sampai sekeras itu guys.
We should bury him.
I'll take care of it.
Iya guys, kita harus memberikan pemakaman yang layak kepada anak ini. Dia sudah cukup menderita guys. Sedih banget gak sih guys? Wah, apakah kita akan makamkan di situ? Sepertinya iya guys, kita akan memakamkan anak ini bersama dengan anjingnya. Sedih banget sih. Dalam kehidupan kita, kalau terjadi seperti ini juga pasti banyak yang seperti ini guys. Banyak sekali orang, mau itu anak-anak ataupun orang tua, pasti banyak yang meninggal karena kekurangan makanan. Gak semua orang bisa hidup guys di dunia yang sekeras ini. Clementine kelihatan sedih banget guys melihat seorang anak yang harus pergi lagi setelah ia melihat Duck di episode sebelumnya. Wah, ada orang guys. Siapa itu?
Hey! Hey! You stay the hell away from us, you hear?
Lee, what's going on?
I saw someone standing there by the fence, watching us.
A walker?
No, too fast. Took off like a bat out of hell when I spotted him.
Was it a man or
Wow.
a woman?
Didn't get a good enough look.
What does it matter?
I'm wondering if it's the same guy who's been following us. The guy on the radio.
Kenny?
I'm fine. I'm fine. What's all the ruckus?
Lee saw someone watching us from outside the gate.
What? Who?
I can't be sure. They ran off before I could get a good look.
I don't like this one bit. Not one bit.
Me either.
Wah,
Walkers are one thing, but the thought of someone out there actually stalking us.
All right, that's it. We've stuck around here long enough. It's time to get back on track. Time to get down to the river and find ourselves a boat.
I don't know if Omid's well enough to move yet.
Well, he better get ready, because I'm going down to River Street right now to find a boat. And as soon as she's ready to go, we're moving out.
We only checked the house to make sure it's secure. We didn't really toss the place. We're low on food, water, meds, ammo. We should make sure there's nothing here we can use before we move out.
Well, you search it if you wanna. I'm done with this house. We came to
Ayolah,
the city
Kenny.
to find a
Kita nggak boleh loh.
boat, and that's just what I'm gonna do.
Maybe it's not such a bad idea to check the place one
I
more...
said I'm done with this house.
wah, Kenny.
We can do both. Ben, you take one last look around.
Iya,
the
benar,
place.
benar, benar.
Grab anything that looks useful, while me and Kenny go down to the river to get us a boat.
Betul,
Wait,
betul.
can't I come? My mom and dad can't be far now. Maybe we can look for them on the way to the river.
Aduh.
Daylight's burning. Gonna go grab my gear, then we'll head out.
Come on, Clem. Let's go see if Omid needs anything.
So, you're just gonna leave me on the bench here?
No offense, Ben, but I'd feel safer if you stayed here.
Betul,
How am I
betul.
supposed to not take offense to that? What am I, a liability? Great. Just great. Thanks a lot for the vote of confidence.
Confidence is earned, Ben. And you've got a long way to go to earn yours back after some of the stuff you've pulled. You feel me?
Aku merasa nggak percaya
I
dengan Ben.
feel you.
Aku sangat nggak percaya dengan Ben atas apa yang telah dilakukan selama ini. Karena dia, Duck meninggal, Kaja juga meninggal, Carly meninggal. Aku udah nggak percaya lagi dengan Ben. Tadi aja dia hampir dia tadi aja bukan hampir ya, tapi dia udah meninggalkan Clementine loh. Parah banget. Wah, Kenny sepertinya lagi marah banget ya. Ayolah Kenny. Kenny ini sepertinya sangat-sangat pengen meninggalkan tempat ini ya. Kita diam aja lah.
Son of a bitch. That bastard's fucking with us again. It's another trap.
No, listen. That's not the same bell as before. This one's further off. Whatever it is, it's gonna get the dead moving over there.
Oh, ramai sekali.
What in the hell is going on?
I don't know, but the person ringing that bell might be doing us a favor.
Whatever, man. I find whoever's doing that, I'll ring their motherfucking bell for them.
Good one.
Let's keep moving.
Still nothing moving behind us. I think we're...
Wah, kenapa lagi
My
nih?
God.
Ya, jangan bilang nggak ada lagi perahu.
There's gotta be a boat. There's gotta be.
Emang kita ada plan B?
Are you sure about that? Doesn't look like it to me. Maybe we need to start thinking about a plan B.
This is the plan. It's the only one we've got, and you pissing on it in front of everyone like you did back at the house ain't exactly helping. Well, screw you. I ain't giving up that easy.
Ya, Kenny.
This one might still be salvageable.
You better be right about this.
I said it might be. Give me a fucking break. I'm a fishing captain, not a miracle worker. I'll check it out. You look further along the waterfront. Maybe there's something at the other end.
I don't think we should split up too far.
We don't have to. See that telescope? You can see all the way along the waterfront from right here. See what you can find.
Okay.
Oke, Kenny, oke. Kenny ini sepertinya lagi nggak mood banget ya guys. Jadi kita tuh agak susah gitu. Wah, lihat tuh. Wah, ada barikade dong di sini. Bentar.
Great. Needs a quarter to work.
Ah, perlu koin guys katanya. Lihat tuh. Ada barikade guys. Wah.
Fuck. What is this meant to be? Some kind of warning? Who do something like this?
Benar juga, siapa yang melakukan ini? Hah, ngapain kita mau nembak? Gak perlu lah ya kita nembak.
Using walkers like scarecrows. What sick bastard did this?
Kita harus cari koin ya berarti. Oh, ada tempat ini guys. Ada tempat orang jualan. Jualan komik.
Hello, beautiful.
Kalian suka komik gak guys?
Empty. Yeah, that would have been too easy.
Yah, kirain loh. Kita harus cari koin. Di mana kita bisa dapat koin?
I should probably stick close to Kenny. It's too dangerous out here.
Oke, berarti kita nggak boleh jauh-jauh ya. Di mana kita bisa dapat koin? Di sini kah? Apakah di sini ada koin? Sepertinya nggak ada. Terus gimana dong? Kita cek-cek lagi guys. Masa kita harus tembak ini? Seriusan kah? Tapi nanti kalau kita tembak,
Better not. Gunfire would just bring more walkers.
nah kan nggak dibolehkan. Nggak bisa guys. Ada mobil.
Someone must have been trying to back their boat into the water. Only things didn't go as planned.
Apa ini? Newspaper machine.
Locked.
Kita coba pakai ini. Bener dong, dapat. Berarti kita udah bisa dong nih hidupin.
Fuck!
Kenapa tuh Kenny?
What's up with the boat?
It ain't gonna work. Hull's cracked beneath the waterline, plus someone stripped out the battery.
You
Yeah.
can't fix it?
What the hell is that?
Ah iya Kenny, aku juga kaget tadi.
Death. Abandoned, like every other place in this city. No way that one's salvageable.
Ada jembatan.
Talmadge Memorial Bridge. Can't imagine how many people tried to escape across it when the city started to fall.
Masuk akal ya. Pasti banyak banget orang di sini.
Nothing but water, not a boat to be seen.
Oh.
What the hell?
Ada orang. Guys, ada orang. Ini orang yang tadi gak sih? Yang kita lihat di bell,
Get down!
di bell tower. Iya, ini orang yang di bell tower tadi, guys. Kita ada lihat sekilas tadi.
Why the hell are we hiding?
Someone came down from that building at the end of the street.
Where'd he go?
Saw him run into that newsstand.
Could be our bell ringer. How about we go find out?
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, you head up the middle of the street. I'll go around the side, cover your flank. We'll come up on him quiet, take him by surprise.
We just want to talk to this guy.
Oh, we're gonna talk.
Berarti kita harus gimana nih? Wah, lagunya langsung berubah. Ya, hilang.
What the?
Wah. Wah. Nice. Gila, mantap nih.
Clem?
Clementine?
You're not from Crawford.
You're not the guy on the radio.
I'm not a guy at all. Full marks for observation. Mind if I get up?
Slowly.
Kok bisa ada Clementine?
Kenny, don't!
Wah,
No, he's with us!
ya tadi ada suara tembakan kan?
Who the hell are you people?
I asked you first.
The name's Molly.
Molly? I'm Lee. This is Kenny and Clementine. Not looking for any
Kok
trouble.
bisa ada Clementine guys di sini?
Hi.
You guys really aren't from Crawford, are you?
I don't even know what that is.
Everything beyond that barricade.
What the hell happened here?
You sure you want to know? When everything started going to shit, some people got together and sealed off that whole neighborhood. Folks willing to do anything to stay alive, stop the dead getting in. I try to avoid them.
Why?
Let's just say they have a zero-tolerance policy for anyone who won't or can't live by their rules.
So how'd you know we weren't them?
Because there are no children in Crawford. Not anymore.
Kenapa nggak ada?
What do you mean, no children? Why not?
No children, no elderly, no one with an advanced medical condition. Basically, no one who might be a burden on the community. Crawford's all about the survival of the fittest. That's how they survived.
Wah, bahaya
The rest
banget
of
tuh
the world
berarti.
to shit around them.
Jesus Christ.
Well, just the opposite when you think about it.
But still, children. You're not saying they...
In God's name, why?
No one stays in Crawford unless they can pull their own weight. Otherwise, you're just
Wah.
another mouth to feed.
Mereka
another drain on their
meng-
precious resources.
Memokatkan anak kecil
Hold on,
guys.
wait.
Bahaya banget
It
tuh
just
berarti.
means being able to help out, like you do all the time.
Doesn't sound like any kind of way to live to me.
Couldn't agree more.
How do you know all this?
Everyone in Savannah knew. What was going on inside Crawford got passed around like a ghost story. Except this one was true.
Clementine, iya juga. Kenapa Clementine bisa ada di sini?
Do you know who's been ringing those bells all over town?
Yeah, that would be me.
I knew it! Lee, I knew she was the one who's been following us. Fucking with us.
Get that finger out of my face, Grandpa, before I jam it straight up your ass. I haven't been following you. I don't even know who the hell you people are.
Calm down, Kenny. The voice on the radio was a guy, remember?
Yeah, well, whoever you are, ringing those bells this morning nearly got us all killed. Raised the dead all around us.
That's the idea, genius. It's how I get around. I ring a bell in one neighborhood to attract the local geeks towards it. Buys me some time to scavenge the areas they cleared out.
Geeks. Is that what you call them?
Yeah, you know, like at the carnival, they'll eat anything, alive or dead.
That's pretty smart with the bells.
Doesn't take much to outsmart the dead. Bunch of dumbasses. You just gotta move fast, get in and out before they start to wander back again. Look, I'm gonna ask you people again. You're not from Crawford, so who the hell are you? What are you doing here?
Came down here looking for a boat. hoping to get our people out of here and find someplace safe.
Yeah, good luck with that. Anyone with a boat took it out of here as soon as people started eating each other. Any
Yeah.
that got left behind, Crawford stripped them for parts.
Masuk
Bars,
akal
too.
sih. Kayaknya udah nggak mungkin
If
ada
there
lagi
was,
lah.
do you think I'd still be here? I've been over every inch of this city. This whole place is picked clean.
God damn it! Fuck!
Hey, moron. You want to keep your voice down?
Shit.
Since you're not getting on any boat, I'd advise you folks to go back to where you came from before...
Oh no. Pasti suara tembakan tadi.
Isn't that the
Away we came.
gunshot must have brought him back?
Isn't there another way back to the house?
Molly, is there a...
Ya, Molly.
You just gonna let her go? Hey, you can't just
Wah,
leave
nggak
us
sempat
here.
milih aku.
Really? Watch.
No! Please! Please don't leave us!
Ayo, ayo, Clementine, Clementine.
Come on, make it
Nice.
fast.
Kenny, 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 ayo naik Kenny.
Fuck me. Come on, hurry!
Ayo Kenny.
Come on!
Come on, man. One good jump.
Wah, ya Kenny, kenapa dia tadi
Come on, Lee. Get your ass out of there.
masuk sewer, masuk sewer.
Here, use that to pry it open.
Ayo, 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 buka, buka, buka. Lee. Guys, hampir aja. Wah, hampir aja, guys. Oh iya ya, Kenny kan
Clementine, can you
dia
hear
kena
me?
tembak ya waktu itu. Mungkin masih sakit ya, makanya
If you can hear me, just get back to the house, okay? I'll meet you there.
Wah, parah sih.
Shit.
Wah, penasaran banget gak sih? Kalau ini Molly itu nggak ada ngintai kita ya selama ini. Jadi siapa dong yang di radio? Wah, masih sangat misteri ya. Dan sekarang kita sebagai Lee terjebak di dalam sewer ya, atau selokan. Wah, penasaran banget gak sih selanjutnya? Mungkin sampai di sini saja video kita kali ini dan sampai jumpa di next episode. Semoga kita bisa keluar dari sewer ini dan bertemu kembali dengan Clementine guys. Semoga saja ya. Bye bye.